the students, no, and visitors or visitors here to this afternoon's United Nations 2014 talent competition. You will witness 16 talents depicting countries from the continent where the participants or contestants representing. 16 from the female and 16 from the male candidate. No? So it will start by the continent from Asia. Then continent countries from Africa and then Europe, and then the last is from the portrait class will be presenting the North and South America. Okay? So tomorrow in the evening or the 5 to 6 p.m. we're going to have our prestigious stage out. No, the final verdict to our search for Mr. and Miss United Nation. Tomorrow's night, we're going to witness the 4 categories here that will be the presentation or the production number, the school uniform, the interview to the 8 finalists, and the national costume. Okay? So I think our candidate is now ready. No? So before we should start, let me read to you the criteria and mechanics for judging. No? So first, each candidate should prepare their talent representing or relevant to the country they are representing. So there is a relevancy. The whole presentation of the candidates is not less than 2 minutes, but not more than 4 minutes presentation. No makeup to avoid extra expenses during the pre-talent show. So as you can see, later, most of our candidates has no makeup. No, it's because we, the talent department, also would like to extend our, the effort or the financial effort of the parents. Candidates may use any props provided that it will cause any damage or harm to the venue, candidates and the users. Human props is allowed. After the pre-talent presentation, special awards as best talent will be given to each class. So each class or each continent of the world will be given best talent. One from the male and one from the female candidate. Winner of the special award for best talent from each class will present the winning talent during the grand coronation. So one of them will win this afternoon's talent competition, will also represent or another representation of their talent tomorrow's grand coronation. And only one male and one female candidates will receive the Best in Talent Award. So our criteria for judging are originality and relevance, skills, showmanship, and overall performance. So judges will make